to your 3-point in order to hook it up to your backhoe. So right now we've got all the 3-point parts assembled and on the tractor. So first of all, you're going to need this thing right here, and this just slides right over your drawbar, and you're going to pin these pins to this once we have these off here. So we'll take those off. Alright, so now that we've got those off, we'll slide this over the drawbar, line it up with the hole, put your washer on there, and do the same into the other side. Alright, and then from there you're pretty much ready to put your backhoe on. Alright, so once you have your tractor looking like that, and you've got these left over, and you also need to take off your 3-point, or your top link. Forgot about that. And you just put the pin back in there. So, now you've got your lift arms. And it does matter which side you put them on. So this one right here, the one without the swivel on it, is going to go on, if you're looking at the backhoe the way I'm looking at it, it's going to go on the right hand side. So you just got to take this pin off, set it in there like that, slide it over there, and then that's locked in there, it's not going to go anywhere. And then for this one, the one with the little swivel on it, goes on this side. Slide it in there. Sometimes they're a bit stubborn, you gotta get them just right. Alright, and then for your top link, it just goes right in these little grooves right here. So you can set it down in there and then tighten it up. And then that's not going anywhere. Alright, so now we're going to show you, this is for if you took your backhoe off and now you want to put an implement on it, on your tractor. So you got to put top link back. That's pretty simple, it just goes right there. And this is going to apply to Max 26s and Max 22 backhoes. Alright, so this one right here is going to it's going to come off of this side and it's going to go on the same side you took it off. And if you look at it, it's kind of got a curve to it. It's like a little bent right here, you know. So you want the curve to the outside of the tractor. Put it on there like that. And take this one off. And it's going to go on the same side you took it off. And this one's got a little curve to it too, as you can tell. So we want that to the outside of the tractor. And then you're ready to hook up any implements you need.
Yep.
Alright, and so if you ever need to, you're not really ever going to need to do this because they can stay on when your backhoe's on. But if you need to take these arms off, I'll show you how to do that. So basically, you just got to take this off, and you can leave that on there. You can leave that attached, and then you got to take this wrench pin out. Take that off of there. You can put that one back in, and then you've got this pin right here that you need to take out. Just need to take that out, and then from there, this big pin will just slide out freely, and you can take that out. And then you can just put this back in there to store it. It's got a little hole right there. Line it up. And it's just the same exact thing for the other side.